Kumshi bynta ban pynkup pori ki longkmie ban yo ya ka kamai kajih kaba biang ka Shubham Charitable and Welfare Association ryngkat ban ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihoods Society kila sdang ya ka zero risk business model hapoh jongka she rise zero waste period mission Mairang haka khandriu tarik Iaiong haga ni ka singi la sam e ki tiar kitar ni ki free startup kit shaki khatway ki cluster level federation na keleng ki bynta jong ka jilla yakini ki tiar la sam do block officer jong ka Mairang block kini ka jing thmu ko laman plila ki kinthai bat ki longkmie ban kamai nala yeng haringkat bat ka kintieu ya ka jing shania haladi ban kamai kajih daladi hagani ka jing lang ka project head ka payal bajaj kala batairu halor ka zero risk business model ya ka rukam long rukam man ka kamram jong ki CLF kilat ban kamai ki kinthai bat ka jing kong san ban yo ya ka BIS certified reusable sanitary pad ka bashai bat ka pawanra ya ka jingkla ka Pushpa Bajaj President jong ka Shubham Charitable and Welfare Association kalaong pakathong galong tang ban aikam aijam hande ban pintik na bagi kin thai kin im ya ka jing im ka badon buram ryngkat bat ka jing don ya ka jing tip ka babnia halor ka kot ka khia ka jing kit khli ka Mairang bat ka ni ka sin jam kan lam shagarukum ya ka bathammai bat ka badon ya ka jing skam jing mud ha ka jing im
ngilai perkhat kumno ban rat dengkhong ya ka jabo nakane kapri unyo trap ujongi te kum tang ngilai perkhat ban ngilai mi kawi kasur ba ngin snano ya kini kipat kiba kilongkmie baro iwei pa iwei kiju pendan kami ki
for urban areas or the women, girls who play sports, girls who go to office, they can reuse these period panties. The pads are stitched from front to bottom so that there is no staining, no leakage, and the girl can work whole day in the field, whole day in the school, or whole day in the office. These are also washable and it can be used for up to 3 years. And we also have these reusable diapers for small children. For now we have introduced for about 0 to 3 months. Yes, instead of using those Huggies, Pampers and diapers, and we see in our villages, yes, we see young mothers, they're using those diapers, they're washing again, drying again, and again using it. Imagine those diapers are made of chemicals and plastic. It is so dangerous for your small children. Just you to have a peaceful sleep, you put on the diaper? No. And if you wash and reuse it, it is more dangerous. It is made full of plastic and chemicals. Yes, for that we have introduced these reusable diapers. Yes, for small children for 0 to 3 months, they can use this. This can also be washed and reused. Yes, we can take out the layer. It can be washed and reused. Again, when we finish to dry, we can insert this and reuse this for our small children. The cloth is very soft to use. The children will feel no irritation which they feel from the diaper, plastic diapers.
ki site moi ki diapers ki site hat the kane part kaya rap ki number ki tu ki ba ki site hat ki huggies ki de ki shna ki plastic te ki tu ki ha ki long ki pen mi rash pen mi klong am te da ka ne fi la bang site tam unne ba unne thai hasni te pila am kon kam bang shi sem